Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn and understand and how the Maintainx works. Okay, so first thing that you should do is you just have to open any of your web browser and then using the search bar at the top, just have to search for Maintainx. Okay, and then you have this first website, so all you have to do is to tap on this one. Okay, so once you're here, you have this options at the top. You have the logged in, the sign up, and the schedule demo. So of course, we have to tap on the sign up option. And then the next thing that we are going to do here is we just have to type out our name, our work email, and then our phone number. So since we cannot really use our work email right here, and then we need to schedule a demo first, so we can skip that part. And I'm just going to discuss to you the things that you need to know, the important things that you need to know before using this one. Okay, so as you can see right here, the Maintainx can plan and execute work easily. So you can create, assign, and track the work orders across all sites. So this is how it works right here. So you have this overview. And then for the preventive maintenance, so you can reduce the unplanned downtime with the intelligent maintenance. Okay, so you can get ahead of breakdowns for the automated preventive and predictive maintenance made with smarter with AI. And for the reporting, you can, drive continuous improvement at scale with customizable dashboard and out of the box reports. So AI powered reporting, describe what you need, and the maintain X AI will find the data, generate the charts, and uncover the insights. Next, for the asset management. So it can increase the asset availability with equipment health and reliability insights, identify the root causes faster, extend the asset life, and make smarter data driven decisions to boost efficiency and reduce the cost with AI powered insights. And for the checklist inspections, so it can reduce risk of regulatory fines and your shutdowns. And for the parts inventory, so you can monitor your parts inventory, get alerts when stocks run low, and automate reorders to keep critical parts on the shelf. Use to maintain XAI to predict upcoming parts needs. Okay, so to get the full details of this, tool, so just visit our website. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.